Press the bell icon and never miss any update from WhatsApp Bollywood.
Hello everyone, welcome to WhatsApp Bollywood. Did Sameer Wankhede went against NCB to arrest Aryan Khan? Did NCB team knew about this party that Aryan Khan was attending? Why Sameer Wankhede arrested Aryan Khan? Was the star son was his target since the beginning? Well, these are the new revelation in this case which will shock you. So let me tell you everything in detail. People familiar with the matter said that Narcotics Control Bureau Operations Unit, based mostly in Anti-Drug Enforcement Agency's HQ in Delhi, was aware of the party planned on the Cordilla cruise ship on the night of October 2nd, but decided not to act on it because there was no big player involved and the quantity of drugs on board was likely to be insignificant. If we believe the reports of Hindustan Times, an official at NCB who didn't want to be named said Zonal Director of NCB's Mumbai unit Sameer Wankhede also had information about the party, but he went ahead with the raid with his team and independent witnesses. A second official, who too asked not to be named, said that there was nothing untoward in Wankhede's action because a zonal director in NCB has complete freedom to conduct operations independently on the basis of variable information. However, Hindustan Times could not verify whether file was moved in the headquarters in connection with the tip-off on the raid. When Sameer Wankhede was asked about operations unit having information about the raid but deciding it wasn't worth their time, he said he was not aware of such thing. The operation unit has pan-India jurisdiction, while zonal officer can only carry out operation in areas under its control, Maharashtra, Goa in Mumbai zone's case. With NCB now initiating a vigilance inquiry in the matter, chances are that the agency will look into Wankhede's informer network and the kind of people whose assistant the zonal director seems to have taken, including a private detective KP Gosavi, whose role has come under scrutiny and who is currently on the run. The Mumbai team has alleged that the drug bust involved 23-year-old Aryan Khan, actor Shah Rukh Khan's son, has international links. Thus far, 20 have been arrested in the case, including Delhi-based event management professionals, Nigerian national and Mumbai-based drug peddler, but only 13 gram of cocaine, 5 gram of methadone, and 21 gram of charas, 22 pills of MDMA, and 1.33 lakh of cash has been recovered by NCB Mumbai from the cruise ship and subsequent raids. On this aspect, the operation unit's information thus seems to have been accurate. Well, what do you think about the new twist in this case? Let us know in the comments below. And for more such updates, keep watching WhatsApp Bollywood.